Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Just another day to learn new things and improve ourselves. So let's go. I'm going to show you how to use the lookup function. That way that you're not confused next time you use it, especially when the source module and the module you are working in have different dimensions. So if you don't know what the source module is, or the target module or mapping module, I'm gonna explain it to you as we go. So this is the calculation module that I'm gonna be writing logic in, and this is also called the target module. So now as I start writing the formula, the source module is the module that I'm gonna be referencing. In this case, we're going to be referencing is data 2. So let's reference hours line item, which in this case, this is a source module and the line item is hours. And then we're gonna hit open brackets and tap lookup. And then now we're going to find the base mapping module. In this case, we're gonna use CISO2. And as you can see, a mapped classification. You can either map it manually or you can map it by doing an import to the system module. So I map this, so hit apply. As you can see here, we're getting the number of hours each student must attend each week based on their classification, whether they are full-time or part-time. Now, let me explain to you how the lookup works so that you won't get an error when you do it. So here, as you can see, this target module, we have the dimension as S3 students. Now, the target module dimension and the mapping module dimension must match, basically, must be the same dimension, like S3 students also. But when it comes to the mapping line item, on the other hand, the format must match the dimension of the source. As you can see here, the source is S-02, and S-02, when we look at the dimension, it's classification. So that's why we didn't have any errors. This is how you map the line item, and you use the lookup function whenever the source and the target module have different dimensions. Now, let's say that we wanted to find out the required full-time hours for a student to be full-time. So we can go back to S-02 and make it our source, but we're going to look up in another system module. This system module is not going to have any dimensions. Whenever you look up a line item in a system module that doesn't have any dimension, this one is pretty easy. And so we just looking up full-time, which I mapped earlier. I simply tap full-time and set the format as classification and set full-time as a mapping. And so I'm gonna hit apply, and when we get our blueprint, you can see it's the required hours for full-time is 12 hours. As you can see, the source has classification as a dimension, but the format of the line items is classification as well. If this format was not classification, you're going to get the error because the source and the system module with no dimension will not match any mapping anywhere. So let me know if you have any questions, comments, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.